Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the Teachers Training Series of the Mashal Schools. As the Mashal School has the honor to facilitate teachers with training and development to enhance their teaching skills. This series has been started for our new curriculum. Alhamdulillah, the Mashal School has designed and developed an English language curriculum for students to learn English smoothly and fluently. Before anything, let's dive into book and study first page of that book. This comprehensive English language course contains 4 levels. Before anything, we will work on first level. After completion, we will dive into level 2, 3 and 4. Alhamdulillah, as a teacher, I am fully satisfied that this book is a result-oriented item and inshallah it will help our students. So let's dive into book, page number 2. On first page, we have English alphabets. As there is lowercase and uppercase letters, we will tell the student and sing together with students. Let's move into class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much. Dear students, as you know that we are starting the book of English language which is designed by the Mashal Schools. As you know, this book has a comprehensive system to teach you English, and I'm sure after completion of these 4 levels, everyone will be able to speak English fluently. Say inshallah. Okay, so dear student, on page first, as you see here, are alphabets. And I have written these on whiteboard. You see, okay, look at the board. There are 2 types of alphabets, capital letters and small letters, and we can call them uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Okay, before talking about anything more, let's sing ABC together. After that, we will work on other aspects of that. Okay, can you sing with me the ABC, the alphabets? Okay, let's start and sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. So we had alphabet letters that we sang all the way from A to Z. Now dear students, as these are letters and the sound of these letters are something else, so we are practicing sounds of them as well. Okay students, as we sung alphabets together, now we are learning about sounds of alphabets. As we have studied phonics, so now we are discussing the sounds and the phonics of these alphabets. Okay, I am singing one by one the sound of these alphabets and you will sing with me too, okay? Say alphabets that as I say. Okay, this is A. A is alphabet, but the sound is something else. Okay, say with me. A. A. B. B. Not K. Okay, don't make any sound. K. D. 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 A. A. G. G. A. J. J. K. K. O. O. P. Qua. Qua. R. R. S. Just like a snake. S. Yes. Ch. Ch. A. A. V. V. Wa. Wa. Difference between V and Y is that V is said on closed mouth and Y is said a bit more open mouth, okay? Va. X. X. Just like when you say fox, at the end you say fox. Okay, that is X. Okay. Y. 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 Z. Z. Just like a smartphone vibration. Z. Okay. Now, dear student, you sang it very well. You sang it Very well. Clap for yourself. That is very best of you. After completion, you will be able to pronounce any word beautifully. And the main thing about alphabet is that if I write any letter, for example, book, so if you pronounce it as per alphabet, it has to be bouquet. So that is wrong. We have to pronounce it on phonic way, and that is b-o-k. That's why this is the importance of the phonics that we are teaching here. Okay, thank you very much. My pleasure.